ओम यद विद्या विलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा। इन शाब्दबोध, आकांक्षा, योग्यता, आसक्ति एंड तात्पर्य ज्ञानम। So jnanam of asakti, akanksha, yogyata and tatparya, all of them are required for shabda bodha. In that context, he said in the Moolam that tatparyatvam, if you take it as vakturichha tatparyam, which is how the Nyaya understands. So there, if it is Shukadi, they don't have ichha. If there is Avyutpanna Purusha, then he may not have any ichha because he himself has not understood what is to be communicated. So then a revised idea was given for Tatparya. Tat pratiti janana yogyatve sati tad anya matra pratiti ichaya anucharitatvam. This was the Tatparya Lakshanam. For tad pratiti janana yogyatva, it should have, and tad anya matra pratiti ichaya anucharitatvam. Because Saindhava Manaya, in that the anya ichha is not there. When it is Lavana, then it is Lavana, not Ashwa. When it is Ashwa, it is Ashwa, not Lavana. In this way, he explained. Okay. Siddhanti, then he said, उक्त प्रतीति मात्र जनन योग्यतायाः अवच्छेदिका शक्ति. This प्रतीति जनन योग्यता should be there. So tad avachedika shakti. This avachedika shakti is what we should accept, so that for tatparya tat pratiti janana yogyatva is there, and that is enough. As part of that, on page number 133, Tippani number 1, we were seeing in Shabda Bodha, Akanksha, Yogyata, Tat Pratiti Ichhaya Uchcharitatvam, if you accept this, Tat Pratiti Ichhaya Uchcharitatvam, if this is taken as the Tatparyam, so then there is Ichha of the Vakta, and there has to have Ucharanam also, Ichhaya Uchcharitatvam. Then Ghatta Kutti Prabhata Nyaya Apatah. So Ghattakutti Prabhata Nyaya is that you try to avoid something. In that case, in specific case, it is this toll booth. I had given explanation last time. To try to avoid this, whole night you work roaming around in the forest trying to find a way to escape it, and in the early morning you end up arriving right there next to at the entrance of the toll booth. Means your effort is of no use. Like that, Purvapakshi says, you try to give so many different explanation, and then to avoid this tat pratiti ichchaya uchcharitatvam, if you end up with explanation in such a way so that again if you came back to the same thing, tat pratiti ichchaya uchcharitatvam, then it is like Ghattakutti Prabhata Nyaya apatah iti ashankam hradi nidhaya uttarayati. So with this ashanka, Siddhanti is saying that we accept pratiti matra janana yogyata avachedika shakti. Instead of saying this pratiti ichchaya uchcharitatvam etc., this pratiti matra janana yogyatayaha avachedika shakti. Accepting this, then there is no kopi doshaha. एवं तात्पर्यस्य तत्प्रतीति जनकत्व रूपस्य शाब्द ज्ञान जनकत्वे सिद्धे. In this way, in Moolam, I am reading तात्पर्यस्य तत्प्रतीति जनकत्व रूपस्य शाब्द ज्ञान जनकत्वे सिद्धे. तात्पर्य is शाब्द ज्ञान जनक, शाब्द बोध जनक, शाब्द बोध कारणम. तत्प्रतीति जनकत्व रूपस्य शाब्द ज्ञान जनकत्वे सिद्धे चतुर्थ वर्ण के तात्पर्यस्य शाब्द ज्ञान हेतुत्व निराकरण वाक्यम. चतुर्थ वर्ण के इन सेकंड नंबर टिप्पणी दैट इज गिवन तत्तु समन्वयात् इति सूत्रस्य. एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट फॉर तत्तु समन्वयात्, इट इज फॉर अथातो ब्रह्म जिज्ञासा. देयर आर 9 वर्णकास. आई टोल्ड यू 4 varnakas are for Athato Brahma Jignasa. So the Chaturtha Varnaka is actually for the first sutra alone. So that correction you should make there. So there he gives in this way, Panchapadikakar, Atra idam vicharyam, किं तात्पर्यम अर्थ प्रमिति हेतु किंवा प्रतिबंध निराश हेतु रीति. दिस तात्पर्य ज्ञानम इज इट प्रमिति हेतु, मीन्स इट इज द कारणम फॉर प्रमाजनक प्रमा उत्पत्ति, किंवा और प्रतिबंध निराश हेतु इज इट द कारणम फॉर प्रतिबंध निवृत्ति. प्रतिबंध निवृत्ति of the jnanam. In jnanam, if there is any pratibandha, that pratibandha nivritti will happen through tatparya. Or first vikalpa is tatparyam is artha pramiti hetu. So there what is said is, which is given here in the Moolam. चतुर्थ वर्ण के तात्पर्यस्य शाब्द ज्ञान हेतुत्व निराकरण वाक्यम. There it is said तात्पर्य is not शाब्द ज्ञान हेतु. तात्पर्यस्य शाब्द ज्ञान हेतुत्व निराकरणम. And here you are saying तात्पर्य is शाब्द ज्ञान हेतु. So then he says, that Vakyam, how you should understand, tat pratiti shabda tatparyasya shabda jnana hetutva nirakaranam means tat pratiti ichhaya uchcharitatva rupa tatparya nirakarana param. That tat pratiti ichhaya uchcharitatva, this kind of tatparya jnanam is not what we consider as shabda jnana hetu. What Nayayikas accept tat pratiti ichhaya uchcharitatvam, because in that ichha is there and uchcharitatvam is there, such tatparya jnanam is not shabda jnana hetu according to Panchapadika Vivarana. Tika. So this much you understand how to interpret the Vivarana Vakya. See Tika from Nanu, third line from the bottom, page number 133, same page. Nanu तात्पर्यस्य शाब्द ज्ञान हेतुत्वे तन निराश पर विवरण वाक्य विरोध. If you say तात्पर्य is shabda jnana hetu, then vivarana vakya which is doing nirasa of it, tan nirasa para vivarana vakya vakyasya virodha iti ashankya uktaritya tatparya jnanasya shabda jnana hetutva siddhau. तात्पर्य ज्ञानस्य शाब्द ज्ञान हेतुत्वम, तात्पर्य ज्ञानम yes
शाब्द ज्ञान हेतुः,
शाब्द ज्ञान हेतु तत्सिद्धौ, for its siddhi, tad vakyam anyatha vyakheyam, that vakya should be interpreted differently. Anyatha vyakheyam ityaha evam evam, we read this vakya, tatparyasya tatpratiti janakatva rupasya shabda jnana janakatve siddhe chaturtha varnake tatparyasya shabda jnana hetutva निराकरण वाक्यम तत्प्रतीति इच्छया उच्चरितत्व रूप तात्पर्य निराकरण परम. So what we are denying is the Nayayika understood definition of tatparya. Tat pratiti ichhaya uchcharitatvam, that nishedha is done by Vivaranacharya. Why? Because Tatparya Jnana is hetu for Shabda Bodha. It is a very well known fact. It is Anubhava Siddha. Vivaranacharya will not do Nisheda of such thing. So when you see some such thing, you should understand the intention is something else. Because if that was his real intention, that Tatparya Jnanam is not Shabda Jnana Hetu, then what would happen? In Tika, Vipaksha Badhakam Aha. Vipaksha Badhaka Tarka is given now. Anyatha, Tatparya Nishchaya Phalaka Vedanta Vichara Vaiyartha Prasangat. Tatparya Nishchaya Phalaka. So Tatparya Nishchayo
फलो यस्य, फलं यस्य,
Phalam Yasya Kasya
Vedanta Vicharasya.
Vedanta Vicharasya. Saha Vedanta Vicharaha Tatparya Nishchaya Phalakaha. Anya pada is Vedanta Vichara. Tatparya Nishchaya Phalakaha Vedanta Vicharaha. Tasya Vaiyarthya Prasangat. Entire Vedanta Vichara, which is actually nothing but Tatparya Nishchaya Phalaka. Means Tatparya Nishchaya is the phalam of Vedanta Vichara. If you say Tatparya is not included in Shabda Bodha, Vedanta Vichara would become Vyartha. Whole Athato Brahma Jignasa in that Jignasa Padam is understood as what? Vichara. Jignasa. We have covered this at least once. Jignasa means Vichara. Jahal Lakshana. And Brahma Jignasa in Brahma Ajahal Lakshana. So Brahma and Brahma Sambandhi, everything which is required. Its Jignasa means Vichara. Kartavya. Kartavya Pada Adhyahara. So that Vichara would go waste. Have I explained this earlier or not?
Yes, Swami.
Further in Tika, tad vakyasya asmad ukta tatparya nirakarana paratve abheda ratnakrin matam aha. Now, some other acharya who has composed some text called Abheda Ratna Krit is the acharya. Tad vakyasya asmad ukta tatparya nirakarana paratve. So that tad vakya means vivarana vakyasya asmad ukta tatparya nirakarana paratve. That how we said there it is doing nirakaranam of the Nayayika Tatparya Nirakarana Paratve, some other acharyas matam he gives. Kechittu Shabda Jnanatvavachedena na Tatparya Jnanam Hetuhu iti evam param chaturtha varnaka vakyam. Some other acharyas they say Shabda Jnanatvavachedena na Tatparya Jnanam Hetu. Tatparya Jnanam is not hetu. Shabda Jnanatva Avachedena. Iti evam param chaturtha varnaka vakyam. Chaturtha varnaka vakya is saying this. According to them. Tika. Shabda Jnana matram prati na hetu. What they are saying is, it is not only for Shabda Jnana. Shabda Jnanatva Avachedena na Tatparya Jnanam Hetu means it is not only for Shabda Jnana. Shabda Jnana Vishesham Prati tu Hetu eva. Shabda Jnana Vishesha Prati Hetu. Tatparya Samshaya Viparyaya Uttara Shabda Jnana Vishesha Tatparya Jnanam Hetu eva. It is Hetu for Tatparya Samshaya Viparyaya Uttara Shabda Jnana Vishesha. So you have some Tatparya, then Samshaya Viparyaya Uttara, thereafter Shabda Jnana Visheshecha Tatparya Jnanam Hetu. Tatparya Samshaya and Viparyaya, thereafter whatever Shabda Jnanam takes place, in that Tatparya Jnanam is Karanam. So what it means, see in Tika, Tadrisha Shabda Jnanam Prati Tasya Hetutvam Anvay Vyatireka Siddham Ityaha. Tadrisha Shabda Jnanam Prati Tasya Anvay Vyatireka Siddhatvam Idam Vakyam Etat Param Uta Anya Param. When I say this Vakya is giving this meaning or that meaning, Etat Param Uta Anya Param, when such samshaya comes, iti samshaye, tad viparyaye cha, तद उत्तर वाक्यार्थ विशेष निश्चयस्य तात्पर्य निश्चय विना अनुपपत्तेर इत्याहु। तद उत्तर वाक्यार्थ विशेष निश्चयस्य तात्पर्य निश्चय विना, viparya means this doubt, samshaya and viparya means if there is a viparita bhavana in that, that vakya is for something and I understanding to be something else, विपर्य च तद उत्तर वाक्यार्थ विशेष निश्चयस्य तात्पर्य निश्चय विना अनुपपत्ते है। तो देन वाक्यार्थ विशेष निश्चय आई हैव टू डू, विदाउट तात्पर्य निश्चय दैट वाक्यार्थ विशेष निश्चय इज नॉट पॉसिबल। दिस इज व्हाट दोस दैट अदर आचार्य सेज। This is not required to be added here. Anyway, is given. केचित् पदेन अस्मिन् मते स्वस्य अनभिमतिः सूचिता. Whenever it is said केचित् means we don't agree with this mata. Our anabhimatihi, swasya anabhimatihi means aswarasaha सूचिता. तद बीजम तो शाब्द ज्ञाने तात्पर्य ज्ञान जन्यता अवच्छेदक शाब्द ज्ञानत्वे लाघवम तात्पर्य संशय विपर्य उत्तर शाब्द ज्ञानत्वे गौरवम. Why do you say there is aswarasa? Why you don't agree with that acharya matam? Because tad bijam, tasya bijam is shabda jnane tatparya jnana janyata avachedaka shabda jnanatve lagava. In shabda jnana tatparya jnana janyata avachedaka. Shabda jnana twice. तात्पर्य जन्यता अवच्छेदक तात्पर्य ज्ञान जन्यता अवच्छेदक शाब्द ज्ञानत्वे लाघवम. दिस इज इनफ. Other reading also is the same. Tad bijam tu shabda jnane तात्पर्य ज्ञान जन्यता अवच्छेदक शाब्द ज्ञानत्वे लाघवम. So main thing is laghava is in तात्पर्य ज्ञान जन्यता अवच्छेदक शाब्द ज्ञानम. In that there is laghava. तात्पर्य संशय विपर्यय उत्तर शाब्द ज्ञानम, in that there is gaurava. So that is not the meaning we should take. Okay, further. तादृश तात्पर्य अवधारणम किम वेदे लोके वा एकमेव उत पृथक. This kind of तात्पर्य अवधारणम is in Veda or is in Loka, and is it one or पृथक means many separate. इति अपेक्षायाम आह तच्च तात्पर्यम वेदे मीमांसा परिशोधित न्यायात् एव अवधार्यते लोके तु प्रकरणादिना. This तात्पर्यम in Veda it is Mimamsa Parishodhita Nyayadeva Avadharyate. By Mimamsa Parishodhita Nyaya means in Purva Mimamsa, Shruti Linga Vakya Prakana Sthana Samakyanam Samavaye Paradauryam Artha Viprakarsha. Using that, you should understand. And in Uttar Mimamsa, Shadvidalinga Tatparya is there. Actually, Shadvidalinga Tatparya you can use for anything, including Purva Mimamsa. Then in that, whether it is Shruti Vakya, which is Prabala, and this Linga is weaker, this analysis you can do based on the Mimamsa Sutra. And in Loka, Prakarana Adina. So, what is this Prakarana Adi? Is given in another commentary. Prakarana Adina. Arthat Prakaranat Lingad Auchityat Deshakalatah Shabdarthastu Vividyante Narupa Deva Kevalat. Arthat Prakaranadi means you have to see the Prakarana, you have to see the Artha. Arthat. Artha means the meaning of that. Lingat. What is the Linga? Auchityat. What is the Auchityam means appropriateness. Deshataha Kalataha. Shabdarthaha tu Vividyante. Shabdarthas are different in different cases. Na kevalat rupa. Na rupat eva kevalat. Means not only it is this shabdas only this meaning, because that one shabda can have different meaning based on artha, prakarana, linga, auchitya, desha, kala, etc. Tatra laukika vakyanam see on the next page. What is Mimamsa in Tika? Mimamsa pujita vicharaha. Purvottara bhedena dvividaha. Pujita means somewhere where you have lot of respect for that inquiry. You are not conducting that inquiry just to show the negativity or holes in the system. Mimamsa, what is the dhatu?
Mang mane dhatu.
Man pujayam. Man pujayam dhatu. What is the sutra?
Man badadhan shanbhyo dirghascha abhyasascha.
Abhyasasya. Man badadan shanbhyo dirghascha abhyasasya. So, Mimamsa Shabda is arrived through this. And it is Purva Uttara Bhedena Dvividham. Purva Mimamsa and Uttara Mimamsa. So, in this way, it is of two types. Okay. Further, Adipadena Upapadadikam Grahyam. Adi means Prakaranadi. Adi Padena Upapada. Upapada means what is the pada next to it? Like if I say, Kuruchali, I think this shabda comes in Siddhanta Kaumudi, Kuruchali. In Kuru Pradesha, the word has Kuru Pradeshe Charati, iti Kuruchari. Kuruchari is the shabda. In Kuru Pradesha, the one who does Charanam. So Kuru is the Upapada. That Upapada also is useful for Tatparya Grahanam. Means Mimansa. In Loka, that is useful. Loka Vedayor Visheshantaram Apya. Between Loka and Veda, there is some Vishesha. Vishesha means difference. What is the difference between Laukika Vakya and Vaikika Vakya? Tatra Laukika Vakyana Manantara Avagathartha Anuvadakatvam. Vede tu Vakyarthasya Apurvataya Na Anuvadakatvam. Laukika Vakya Manantara Avagathartha. I explained this in Kiranavali also. Laukika Vakya, they become known through other pramana also. Nadyastire Panchaphalani Santi. So there is other pramana by which you verified. Manantara Avagata Artha is there. So Laukika Shabda Vakya will become Anuvadaka of that Pratyaksha Pramana or Anumana Pramana. Vede tu Vakyarthasya Apurvataya Nanuvadakatvam. In Veda, there is no Anuvadakatvam. Why?
Apurvata, apurusheya.
Correct. Vakyarthasya Apurvataya. Vakyartha is Apurva. It has Apurvata. Apurvata, so it is not known through any other way. And therefore, it is not Anuvadakatvam. It is Pramanam by itself. Not Apaurushaya, it is Apurva. Tika. Lokavedayor madhye Vakyarthasya Apurvataya Manantara Anavagamataya Tad Vakyanam Na Anuvadakatvam. Because they are not known through other pramana. They are known only through one pramana. Therefore, there is no Anuvadakatvam. Anuvadakatvam means some pramana has already said something. Shabda pramana is saying the same thing again. It's called Anuvachanam, Anuvadakam. Atha loka vedoyoho samyam shamaha. So, okay, you already said what is the difference between the two. What is common between the two? What is a samyansha? Samyansha, he says, tatra loke vedecha karya paranam iva siddharthanam api pramanyam. Putraste jata ityadishu siddharthe api padanam samarthya avadharanat. In Loka as well as Veda, Karya Paranam Iva Siddharthanam api Pramanya. In Loka as well as in Veda, Karya Paravakya is Pramana, Siddhartha Vakya is also Pramana. Siddha Bodhaka Vakya and Karya Bodhaka, Karya Paravakya, both are Pramana. How do you say that? Because Putraste Jataha. If Chaitra is there in some other desha, and his village, somebody comes and gives him Upadesha in his language. Putraste jataha, he Chaitra, Putraste jataha means your wife in the other village has given birth to a child who is your son. Putraste jataha. So listening to this Putraste jataha, there is harsha on the face of Chaitra. So Shabda produced Jnana. And this is not Karyabodhaka. This is not like Gam Anaya, Ghatam Anaya, Gam Badhana. There is no karma. Oh, this is a statement of fact. Putraste jata. So he is very happy. Then second statement they give, Kanyate Garbhini, your daughter there has become pregnant without marriage. So then he becomes sad. So on his face, these expressions are there. This is example. Your son, you have, to you a son has been born. He is very happy. Your daughter, unfortunately, has become pregnant without marriage. Then that vakya produces dukham. So sukha dukha janakatva is there in shabda. Means jnana janakatva is there. All these examples, this putra se jata, kanyate garbhini, and earlier we saw this Ghatta Kutti Prabhata Nyaya, then Visham Bhungshva, in Chitsukhi, Khandana, Advaita Siddhi, Panchapadika. All these granthas will have same examples. So if you master Vedanta Paribhasha properly, in all other advanced granthas, all these concepts will be helpful. And in Nyaya Siddhant, Muktavali, etc., same drishtanta they give. लोके टीका लोके वेदे च इति तत्र पद विवरणम. In Loka and Veda, they are giving pada vivaranam. Pada vivaranam means he explaining those padas now. How Loke Vede, they are samanam. Gam anaya pashum alabheta ityadikanam karyaparanam karyanvite swarte shaktanam yatha pramanyam. Gam anaya लौकिक वाक्य, पशुमालभेत वैदिक वाक्य, इत्यादिकानाम कार्यपराणाम, they are कार्यपरक वाक्य, because in both of them some karma is involved. कार्यपराणाम कार्यान्विते स्वार्थे शक्तानाम, and they are कार्य अन्वित स्वार्थे शक्त. स्व अर्थे they have शक्ति. शक्तानाम वाक्यानाम यथा प्रामाण्यम प्राभाकराणाम. प्राभाकर they accept only कार्यबोधक वाक्य है वो प्रामाण्य. नो कार्य नो प्रामाण्यम. तथा सिद्ध वस्तु पराणाम अपि प्रामाण्यम न तु प्राभाकराणाम इव कार्यपराणाम एव इत्यर्थः. Because Prabhakar will say only if it is karya associated, then it is praman. Vastu siddha vastu para, it has no pramanam. Tatra hetu is given putraste jata. See previous page in tippani number 1. Prabhakaradayah karyaparanam eva आमनायस्य क्रियार्थत्वाद् अनर्थक्यम अतदर्थानाम इत्यादि न्यायेन प्रामाण्यम ब्रुवते. ब्रुवते इज एकवचन और बहुवचनम?
एकवचनं
बहुवचनम.
कर्मणि प्रयोग.
No, karmani prayoga, then yakara would come. It would become atmanepada. So here it is not karmani, it is bahuvachanam. Brute, bruvate, bruvate. Prabhakaradayah is bahuvachanam. Tan sadrishtantam brute. Brute is ekvachanam. Bruvate dvivachanam. Bruvate bahuvachanam. So Prabhakara they say आमनाय से क्रियार्थत्वाद. आमनाय is only for, actually Prabhakara, they don't say this. Purvapaksha in Mimamsa, they say this, that Amna is only for Kriya. And it is for, so Jaimini Maharshi, they all accept this matam. Prabhakara, they have, means Bhattas are also same. They also say Amna as a Kriyarthatva. So Tan Sadrishtantam Brute Siddharthanam api Pramanyam. Siddha Bodhaka Vakya also have Pramanyam, like Putraste Jataha. Veda, for Veda Vakya, Siddharthanam api Pramanyam. What is the Drishtanta? What is the Drishtanta for Veda Vakya? Siddharthanam Pramanyam. Tattvamasi. Tattvamasi Vakya is Pramana or not?
Yes, Swami.
Is Siddhartha Vakya or not?
Yes, Swami.
Bas. सिद्धार्थे अपि पदानां सामर्थ्य अवधारणात् अतः एव वेदांत वाक्यानां ब्रह्मणि प्रामाण्यम. Therefore, Vedanta Vakyas also have pramanyam in Brahma. Yatha cha etat tadha vishaya parichhede vakshyate. So is the case that we will discuss in Vishaya Parichheda. In the 7th chapter. This is 4th. Sitika. Yatah eva siddharthanam vakyanam pramanyam atah eva. Because Siddhartha Vakya have pramanyam. Nanu astu karyaparanam eva pramanyam vedantanam api प्रतिपत्ति विधि परत्वेन तद भविष्यति. तस्मात् किमर्थम क्लिष्ट कल्पनया सिद्धार्थे पदानां सामर्थ्यम आस्थीयत इति आशंका. पूर्वपक्ष says, okay, astu karyaparanam eva pramanyam. Let's just have karyaparaka vakya alone having pramanyam. If for Vedanta also, just like Purva Mimamsakas have accepted. Pratipatti vidhi paratvena tad bhavishyati. Pratipatti vidhi paratvena karyaparanam eva vedantanam pramanyam. Why you have to do klishta kalpana and say siddharthe api pramanyam? So he says yatha chetat, that we will talk in the Vishaya Parichheda. Siddharthe padanam samarthya avadharanat यथा कार्य संस्पर्शम अंतरेण ब्रह्मणि वेदांतानां प्रामाण्यम तथा इत्यर्थः. सिद्धार्थे पदानां सामर्थ्य अवधारणात्. इन सिद्ध पद सामर्थ्य अवधारणात् यथा कार्य संस्पर्शम अंतरेण. सिद्ध अर्थ सामर्थ्य पदानां सामर्थ्य अवधारणम कैन हैपन without touching the karya. Karya samsparsham antarena means vina karya samsparsham. Brahmani vedantanam pramanyam tatha vakshyati. Vakshyati, vakshyate, both. Whatever they have given. What is the meaning of this? This is called Naishkarmya Siddhi. Naishkarmya is Brahma. And what is that Brahma? Naishkarmya. Karya samsparsham antarena brahmani. Brahma where karma samsparsha is not there. There is Naishkarmya. Such Vedanta Vakyas have Tatparya, Pramanyam in such Brahma that we will reveal in the Vishaya. Karya samsparsham antarena brahmani vedantanam pramanyam. And that's why Siddha Artha Bodhaka Vakya, they will have pramanam, no need of Karya to be associated with them. So this prashtha is complete now. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.